Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a seating die. First, ensure your reloading press is clean and free of any debris. Then, thread the seating die body into your press until it gently touches the shell holder. Once it makes contact, back the die body out by about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Finally, secure the die body in place by tightening its lock ring. This initial step sets the foundation for precise bullet seating. Now, let's adjust for the bullet seating depth. Place a charged case with a bullet into the shell holder on your press. Lower the press ram completely, bringing the case and bullet up into the die. Carefully turn the seating stem down until you feel it make firm contact with the bullet. Raise the ram and remove the cartridge to visually inspect the initial seating depth. This is your starting point for fine-tuning. For fine-tuning, adjust the seating stem in very small increments, typically 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn at a time. After each adjustment, seat another bullet and carefully measure its overall length using a set of calipers. Repeat this process until you consistently achieve your desired overall cartridge length. It is crucial to ensure these measurements are consistent across several cartridges for reliability and safety. If your die applies a roll crimp, you can now adjust it. Lower the entire die body slightly, perhaps 1/8 of a turn at a time, until you achieve a light crimp that just removes the case mouth flare. Perform a plunk test by dropping a finished cartridge into your firearm's chamber to ensure it seats correctly. Finally, double-check that all lock rings are securely tightened for consistent and safe reloading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.